In the near lane, Lawrence Beals, 86 Grand National Turbo. In the far lane, David Arendt in an 85 Mercury Capri 302 H.O 5-speed. Beals Buick gets there first, 1381 100.22 to a 1521 92.21. In the near lane, Tony Tull in an 86 Grand National. In the far lane, Kenny Lee's 85 Mustang 302 5-speed. Tull gets the win, 1455 94.73 to a 1492 92.21. In the near lane, Bill Sineski in an 87 Grand National. In the far lane, Bob Catarano's 87 Mustang 302 5-speed. And Sineski gets the automatic win as the Mustang red lights. Sineski goes through at 1434 96.15 to a 1608 88.06. In the near lane, Matt Bennett's 85 Mustang 302 5-speed. And in the far lane, Mark McCahoon in an 86 Omni GLHS 2.2 5-speed. In a close race, Bennett's Mustang edges out the Omni 1491 92.59 to 1525 92.59. In the near lane, Jeff Mosing in an 87 Mustang LX 302 HO 5-speed. In the far lane, David Rainier in a 77 Trans Am 400 automatic. Mosing wins 1428 92.54 to 1583 87.54. In the near lane, Dave Hodges 86 Mustang GT 302 5-speed. In the far lane, Ron Wagner's 87 Grand National. Wagner wins 1458 92.97 to 1556 90.72 miles per hour. In the near lane, Jeff Mosing's 87 Mustang LX 302 HO 5-speed. In the far lane, Matt Bennett's 86 Mustang GT 302 5-speed. Mosing's Mustang wins 1414 96.15 to 1509 92.59 miles per hour. In the near lane, Ken Woodard's 87 Regal automatic. In the far lane, Tom Bohannon's 87 Mustang 302 5-speed. Woodard wins 1470 94.14 to 1494 93.36. In the near lane, Ken Woodard's 87 Regal. In the far lane, Jeff Mosing's 87 Mustang 302 HO 5-speed. And Woodard red lights. Though Woodard gets there first, Mosing takes the automatic win, 1794 63.46 to 1675 63.82. In the near lane, Jeff Mosing's 87 Mustang 302 HO 5-speed. In the far lane, Corey Dykstra's 87 Grand National. Mosing is driving the only non-turbo Buick left in this class. He'll have to be quick to bring down Dykstra's Grand National. Mosing red lights. Corey knows it and acknowledges with a wave. Mosing goes through at 14:16, 96.98, but Dykstra automatically wins and coasts through at 23.14, 44.20 miles per hour. In the near lane, Lloyd Tarter's 87 Grand National. And in the far lane, Jim Kaminsky's 86 Grand National. Kaminsky wins 1377, 102.73 to 1399, 101.35. So the pure stock current final will be Dykstra's Grand National versus Kaminsky's Grand National. In the near lane, Jim Kaminsky's 86 Grand National. In the far lane, Corey Dykstra's similar 86 Grand National. And Dykstra red lights. And then he has trouble as a puff of ominous smoke comes out of his car. Kaminsky pulls ahead for the class win 1396, 101.35 to a troubled 20.55 at 48.07 miles per hour.